Welcome to the first episode of Talking Music on Caseback Watches. Caseback Watches will stay watch channel, but this is a little addition, me playing and talking a little bit about music. And I want to keep this short. I will talk 60 seconds about music and then I will play a tune, and that's it. Enough distraction for one episode, all right? And the first topic is, let me put off this. The first topic is practicing. Often people ask, how much do I have to practice to deliver, to perform on stage in a way people enjoy, actually? And there are two answers to that. Answer number one, you don't have to practice one single minute if you really are a musician. If you have accepted that you are a musician, then playing is your nature. It's nothing to do with practicing. It's your nature. It's enjoyable. It's fun. And unfortunately, that's complete bullshit. If you play in a band, then you have something like this. Some sort of dossier with lots of sheets in it and notations and everything, and even on the back. And then you have your 10 days to practice this, and then you have to practice sometimes tiny parts. There's a resistance. This resistance has to go. It will cost me several hours maybe, but there's a solution. Watching TV on Netflix or YouTube. You can watch what you want. And this is an advice not only for musicians. You can watch TV during your exercises. People in the gym do it all the time. You put on your headphones, and then here you have your favorite TV show, and then you binge watch your favorite TV show during practicing, and like that. And you can do this for hours and hours and hours, and after those hours, this resistance vanishes, hopefully. Yes, and so this is my method and the method of many other musicians I know. But let's start now. Let's play a cool tune here.
After you've gone and left me crying,